After that, the material number 20, which is an interior floor. When we come here, we will see a thumbnail of the material, and because this material will not appear in the project scope, so we don't need to edit it. Also, material number 23 is the same thing, which is also an internal material as a floor of the office. The material number 24, which is the material for the garage floor and this planter wall, it will be a concrete floor with beige color like so. Also has a fine surface, so in reflections we will make roughness at 30, then specular at 60, then set height map on bump map, then use albedo, and set amount at 1. After that, the material number 25, which is the material of garage walls. We move to the garage in this way. Its walls are fine and smooth because of a paint color applied to it. So in height map, we will use albedo and set it on normal map, not bump. Setting the intensity at 35. And let the reflections roughness at 50 and the specular at 60. Then material number 26, which is the material of the doors here. We will notice that this material has a little shine and also has a feel of the wood texture. So the height map will be on normal map and its intensity will be 30%. And reflections, of course, we will use albedo. The roughness will be 40% and specular will be 80%. To have some of shine and somewhat of smoothness in the material. Material number 27 is the texture of shelves in the room overlooking the pool. The shelf is here. And also that shelf. So this material will have reflective property and some smoothness. In the height map, set it on bump map and use albedo. Then the amount will be 0.5. Then roughness will be 20. And specular 70. It appears to us like this, and we may set it at 50. Then material number 28 is the paint material of the wardrobe. Then material number 28 is the paint material of the wardrobe. There is no texture in this material, so we will add reflections to it, setting roughness at 20 and keep specular as it is. Then material number 29, which is the material of outdoor paving of the context. We will use the displacement map and use albedo. Set the value at 1. Find the height map on bump map. We will select displacement map. It looks like this. Set its value at 0.5. Seems like this. Then in reflections, set roughness at 40. And specular as it is 50%. Then material number 30 is the curve. Then set the value of bump at 2 or 3. In reflections, set roughness at 40 and specular at 50. Material number 31 is the texture of this round part of the curve, and its properties will be similar to the curve texture. So it will use albedo and bump map will be at 2. Then roughness will be 40 and keep specular as it is. After that, material number 32 is asphalt texture. Set its roughness at 40 and specular at 60, and may reduce roughness to be 30%. And bump map will be albedo and its value will be 1. The next material is number 33, which is the lens surrounding the project. We will keep it as it is. This is the artwork in the frame, which located in the patio. We may edit it. Choose normal map, but first use albedo, then select normal map and set its value at 25. Then in reflections, make roughness 50 or 40. There is 2 material here. Both of them are used in the frame of artwork. So to avoid duplicated materials, we will delete this material, this here, right click and delete it. So there is no changes happened to the frame, and the frame with this goldy color. Set the roughness at 40 and specular at 70. There is lead surface here. We will make its material. The last material is number 33. So we will name its material 34. Then its color values H at 40, S at 10, and L at 95. Then open the ceiling group and apply it to the lead surface. So we will know that each of these materials, number 17, number 13, and number 34, are illuminated surfaces materials, and they will be in the lighting section.